Hello everyone. So here we'll just see how to add the 3D Experience connector to SolidWorks, and in the task pane it's not available right now. Yep, let me just switch to 3D Experience platform, and from here you could use the 3D Experience compass and just search 3D Experience SolidWorks connector. Once you click on it, you will get the option to download the connector. Yeah, just click on the install now option. Once you do that, you're gonna have the option to select install all and granted roles and install all roles containing SolidWorks. So now I'll just select this install all roles containing SolidWorks for now. Yeah, at the background it will start the installation process. Yep, you'll get the installation program ready. Select the next option. By default location I'm gonna select here, and the installation process will start here. You're gonna get the runtime error. So to deal with this, you just need to click on this link here. Yeah, once you click on it, it's gonna take you to the Oracle website. So you need to remember that you should not go to this home page. You need to click on a bottom link so that it could directly take you to the JDK exe location. So I'll showcase it is here. Just scroll it down and just click on the bottom link. So this is the page, and here we need to choose JDK the version from 11 onwards. So I'm gonna choose the 11 itself for now. So in the platforms, there are different platforms available, so Linux and Windows and all. So from here I'm gonna choose Windows. Okay, and here you'll have the file called JRE 32 MB file, as you could see over there. SHA 256 is also written over there, so that I need to download. So just select that JRE 32 MB file. Yep, once it gets downloaded, you could directly run this by just selecting this one, by just double clicking on this, and it's gonna give you this new installation platform to install it. Just click on accept and install it. So once you install this, click on finish and go back to your 3ds platform and click OK. Here choose the default location and choose the default language as English, and just click on install. So it will execute the file and it will copy the file and it will run the installation process. So it will take some time. Yep, once the installation is done, you need to just click on OK to restart your computer. Right now, just I'll close this and I'll simply open the SolidWorks. So now here you could see it is not the add-in is not added, right? You need to close it, and let me just reopen the SolidWorks. Yep, so now it's gonna give me the 3D Experience connectors into the SolidWorks. Yep, as you could see, the connector is available. You can directly switch over there, and it will take you to the 3D Experience platform directly from here. and you could switch between, and you do have the PLM services active. You need, if you want, you can remove that one. So that's all. Stay tuned. Thank you.